इनिंग्स में थोड़ा सा अब मोमेंटम आता हुआ. 60 for 6 after 8, and the skyscrapers that are required are coming thanks to the knock that Shantanu is playing. 46 unbeaten. In the commentary box, I'm Raman Banot. With me is Sunil Joshi. Samrat Reddy coming on to bowl now.
Raman, sorry, that was a shot taken by Saran. It was, I beg your pardon, I said Sham. It was absolutely Saran Kumar bought that boundary, required boundary.
Shantanu, the man who got that 4 on the last ball of the over, just get that right again. Samrat, of course, is the new man in. He's going to be on strike. Remember, the catch was taken when the dismissal
Batsman
happened on the
crossed.
5th ball. The batsman crossed. So Shantanu was the one on strike who hit the 4. He's moved up to 46. And there you happen. You can see Shantanu getting a full
That's the
toss.
one. Brilliant. That's the one which we were talking about. Shantanu, powerful hitter. Very powerful, and it's a clean hit.
And that brings me to the point. Remember, there was a very strong leg before appeal against Shantanu when he was batting on 11. That was turned down. He's gone on in mid 46. But now, let bygones be bygones. It's Saran on strike.
That's the brilliant thinking by Saran, giving strike to Shantanu. Shantanu is in charge of the next 2 overs. Can he get to 80? Rhinos, they need a fighting score, Raman.
Oh yes, and he's eyeing 50. Not Samrat, but Shantanu. Samrat, of course, would be hoping to pick up a wicket. He's into his first over. And he comes. Edged and taken! Big wicket this for Samrat. Smart thinking by the bowler. The crowd are happy that they've seen another wicket go down. Shantanu gone for 46. And I'd say again, smart thinking by Samrat. Shortened the length.
Absolutely. Digged it up. And Shantanu going for the full one. And edging it out to keeper. That's the Telugu Warriors dugout. Happy faces. Shantanu goes at 46, 61 for 7.
'61 for 7, Bose on strike. The new man in gets off the mark on the very first ball. Problem here for Chennai Rhinos is that they've got 2 new batsmen at the crease now.
Important, a set batsman gets out at this stage. You know, the scoring runs becomes a tough break will be put on the scoring pattern. That's the way Samrat celebrations for getting his wicket. 62 for 7, Rhinos. Doesn't look good here, Raman.
I'll have to say, Sunil, it's looking better than what it did when they were, 24 for 5. At least they've got some runs on the board, but they need more. They need more. Can Saran get a few boundaries for them now?
Absolutely. The way Samrat is bowling, yes, absolutely. You're all waiting for the selfies. Selfie time. Good camera work there from our cameraman. You got to give credit for him.
Yeah, he caught it. Couple of deliveries to go in the 9th over. Change of pace there from Samrat. He's a clever bowler. Saw him yesterday as well. He's mixing things up, mixing the length up as well.
Absolutely. It's been a glamour world since yesterday. 2 teams. Again, we see the Tamil Nadu dugout. Absolutely, you know, we see Couple of familiar faces. I remember that one. The one which in the middle in Akshay Kumar's movie.
In the meantime, just going to be a single. Sunil knows the right people. 9 overs gone. It's 65 for 7. Just one man getting into double digits. Otherwise, it looks like a single-digit telephone number. 46 that Shantanu scored. Got them some respectability, but that's what they're playing for. All the 6 teams for the winners' trophy. That's to the left, and of course, for the team that doesn't make it as the winner, they get the one on the right.
Those glittering trophies, Raman. They've done some good work on that glittering trophies. See Prince. Oh, Saran, back of a length. I think it's important for Chennai Rhinos to try and get as much as possible at this stage. You know, after losing 7 wickets, we all know that how many runs would be getting there to put a fighting score on the board.
Look at how where he's standing. He's standing outside the batting crease, is the batsman. And I don't think the bowler, Prince, is going to be very happy with that. He says, hang on, I'll bang it short, let you know who's boss.
Typical fast bowlers application. That's another wide outside the off stump.
Contrasting styles for both batsmen. Bose is standing well inside his batting crease. That's for you, Sunil.
That's for the whole fans have assembled here, for all of them.
This is where Bose is standing. He's standing well inside the batting crease. Trying to
So
make...
brilliantly won. Bose timed it well. But a good effort from Prince, stopped on his follow through.
Play and a miss there by Saran. That's not working for Saran, and that's probably something he needs to rethink. This strategy of trying to come down the track isn't working out.
Raman, is the actions towards you or towards the fans who have come here all the way supporting their team?
Sunil, 1, I'm not that lucky, and number 2, ये थोड़ा पुराना हो गया.
पुराना तो हो गया मगर है तो है वही है.
Oh, that's a cracker. No, it didn't really come off the meat of the blade. Just a single. Oh, they're going to come back for 2. This could be trouble. Had there been a better throw.
Absolutely, a throw would have been closer to the stump. It could have been another run out. 1 ball left in the this over. Yes, absolutely. The support from the Telugu Warriors team and their fan following stars.
That's an edge and taken by the keeper. A wicket of the final ball of the innings. Prince can celebrate. Chennai Rhinos wrap up their 10 overs. They've got just 69 on the board. Lost 8 wickets in the bargain as well. What a fantastic final over from Prince. Just giving away 4 runs, getting a wicket as well. He's bowled away. Again, look at that change of pace. You can clearly see he's tried to bowl the off-cutter off the outer edge. Simple catch for Harish behind the stumps.
It's a brilliant one. So finish off on the good action.